There, this is Uri Schillinger, and this is a tutorial series on how to reconstruct 3D magnetization from a tomographic tilt series of electron phase measurements. This is the first video where I show you how to install all the necessary software. So, step one, we go to our GitHub repository and we download the source code. We should choose the latest release and just download it. We will also need a Python package manager to install all the necessary packages. And I prefer using some version of Mamba. So let's go and download that as well. Now, the reason why you would want to use the software is if you find yourself in a situation where you're trying to characterize a ferromagnetic sample, and you measured the phase from different directions so you could get a 3D reconstruction of the magnetic induction. But if you want to also get the magnetization, this tutorial will show you how to do it. Now, that's that downloaded. Let's install the package manager. Doesn't really matter where. I'm just going to put it into the downloads folder. Yeah, might take a wee while. Should have added elevator music in the background. And while we're at it, let's extract all the source code. And later on, we will need this as well. The other videos in the series will show you how to do the reconstruction itself. This is an extra lengthy one showing you every single step of the installation. Okay, now that's done. It is usually some level from the start menu. And well, let's navigate to our source folder. It's going to be in downloads under here. So then let's have a look at the installation instructions. Use this command to set up the Python environment. This will parse the list of required packages for the software to run and download the most appropriate version of each one automatically. But it will take a while. Feel free to skip ahead. I will still include this in the video for completeness. Okay then. The bulk of the prerequisite packages have been installed. So let's activate our environment. And then we still need to install at least one old bit of software which is not available for automatic download. So to do that, let's navigate to the util folder that we've extracted previously and run the setup. Okay, that's done. Now let's install the 3D magnetization reconstruction package itself. Let's go up a folder and run the setup here as well. Okay, everything is installed. So the final thing we should do is run the tests. And we do that with this command right here in the test folder. This will check that all the maths is working correctly and that the file inputs and outputs are functioning and that all of the 3D visualization is working correctly as well. Okay, well, warnings are to be expected because we are using bits of decades-old code at points, but it ran all the tests and they came out okay, so the software is ready to use. How to actually do the 3D reconstructions, I will show in the next videos. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one.